Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to find the font size in Excel. I have a spreadsheet here and I have some text on it, so let's click on the text. And we want to find somewhere up in the menus where it has the font size. The problem I have is that I don't have the right menu selected here. I have the charts menu for whatever reason. What you want to do is find the home menu. The home menu almost surely will have all the icons and buttons that affect your text here, and here we see this is a font size 12, and we have it selected. We can actually change the font size, make it bigger, make it smaller, make it a lot bigger, or go back to about where we were. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to find the font size in Excel. Thank you for watching.